Howdy, howdy, howdy. We are at SeaWorld today. Opening weekend. First time they've been open since the pandemic began. We were excited to be here. We're going to check out some of their social distancing rules and what they have going on. It looks like immediately as you walk up here, there is a temperature check, which we've kind of went through before at Aquatica. But it looks like we're going to do it again here. Not a lot of people here. I don't know if it's because it's late at night or what, but that's good. We're going to hop on in here and check it out. First thing you see when you walk in is the practice and safe distancing stickers on the ground. And they have a tent. This tent is actually air conditioned. Makes it nice. Hi. You're inside the air-conditioned tents. It is a long walk, though, to get through all of the fences. They have lots of hand sanitizer as you walk in. Looks like we're going to get our temperature checked here. Here we go.
Thank you.
And they got hers.
Thank you, sir.
I am good. And Gabby's good. Thank you. And that was that. Pretty easy. So as you can see, it's really no hassle to get in. Now granted, there was nobody here, but really no hassle. Really easy to get in, take your temperature, make sure you have a mask. That's pretty much it. I would highly recommend the paper mask. They're a lot better, especially in the heat. I've actually gotten used to wearing them, so it doesn't really bother me anymore. Being in Texas, you know, it's hot out all the time, so the mask really have no effect on me anymore. I can wear them all day. It doesn't bother me, but I think it's a small price to pay to be able to do stuff you love, is to just simply wear a mask, and I'm all about it. I'm all for it. So now we're fixing to hop in here, and we're gonna have some fun. So when you come in, you gotta have your reservations. They gotta scan those, and you gotta have your actual tickets, whether that's an annual pass or a fun card or a
Your mom?
just a ticket you buy. You got to have those too. So yeah, we're in. So here is one of the Seven Seas Food Festival venues that they have not taken away. I wonder if that means they're planning on still doing it. That would be kind of cool if they were. So right next to the water, as you walk in, here's one of the relaxation zones. This is where you can take your facial coverings off. They are not required, but you still have to make sure you're physically distancing. But not a lot of people there. No one's sitting down. I do notice as I'm walking through the park, some people do not have their facial coverings on their face. They kind of wear them down or off their nose or whatnot. But for the most part, I think everyone here looks like they are actually wearing their mask. Again, some people are not wearing them correctly, but everyone seems to have one on at least. So here's another new sitting area. It's another relaxation zone. Have not seen this here before. It looks like a little place to get drinks or snacks. I mean, even though nobody's there, but you can sit there and take your facial coverings off too. And there are the flamingos. They are not practicing social distancing at all. They seem to be standing right on top of each other, which is not good.
None of them have a...
And they're not wearing masks. None of the flamingos are wearing masks.
Ridiculous. Just ridiculous.
Just ridiculous. Relaxation zone number 3 with all the picnic tables. This might be the best one though, because it actually has a bar, so you can really relax over here with the bar and then all the picnic tables. So I think the last time we were here, which was back in February, this area was all under construction, and now it's all opened up. They put in a new concrete ground. They have a stroller parking on each side. That's pretty cool. Can't take them past that point. But this was all under construction in February, and now it's all opened up.
Shamu sculpture forming.
Yeah, there's no more Shamu sculpture, but you can park your stroller, so that's good. Really nice though. Looks really good.
Yeah.
And our first ride back is going to be this Texas Stingray. Since the quarantine, Here we go. They have you social distance on even on the staircase. As you walk up, tells you to stay 6 feet apart. So before you get on the ride, they actually make you hand sanitize. And as you can see, every other cart has a rider in it, even though this one does not look like it's full at all. But every other cart is going to be used. So we're going to see if this mask stays on for the ride. So much fun. Missed that so much. Awesome time. Steel eel, Texas stingray. Great ride, unbelievable. And they have little Texas stingrays here as you come off the stingray. They are $27.99, but look how cute he is. He looks like he could just swim right in the water. One of the things that we've noticed is there's places to sit everywhere now. They did not have these picnic tables here before, but it looks like there's just more places to sit. I think they're, wanting to give people the ability to be able to take their mask off and sit down in these relaxation areas. Alrighty, so roller coaster number 2 is going to be Great White. This is the first roller coaster built at SeaWorld. And here we go. Two loops. Another corkscrew. Nice corkscrew. Nice one. Oh yeah. Woo! That one is intense. As you come out of the arcade, you can see they have some of the machines turned off because they want to keep you 6 foot apart from one another. And also across from the wave breaker is another relaxation zone. It seems to be the theme here. Lots of relaxation zones where you can take your mask off. And that duck's got crazy eyes. I don't know if he remembers what people look like, but he's got some crazy eyes. So this area here used to be for Pets Ahoy, and now it's something called Sunny Day Celebration. They have an 11:31, 3:15, 4:45, and 6. But I wonder if they're doing Pets Ahoy anymore. Doesn't look like any of the Bay of Play playground area is open. The rides look like they're open, but the playground area is all closed. So we're sitting inside Harbor Market. It's nice and cool in here. Got ourselves an icy and some water. All the chairs look like they're 6 feet apart. So so far everyone seems to be social distancing. I can't really tell though very well because there's not a lot of people here. But I don't feel like it's insecure. Everyone seems to be wearing masks. Some people have them down below their nose and whatnot, but nothing big. It's very hot out, yes. the mask is starting to take a. I thought I felt okay with it becoming in here, but when you start walking around riding rides, you start really sweating. The mask is pretty tough. So, I mean, it's actually, there's a nice breeze tonight, so it really shouldn't be. It could be worse than this, is what I'm trying to say, from a temperature standpoint. But so far, so good. A lot of the places are closed. You can tell it's the first day back, or second day back. But I think as we get things rolling here, it's going to get better and better. This table, if you are not supposed to sit there, you can see that one doesn't have one, that one does, that one doesn't, and the far one on the end there does. So I'm looking at wanting to get a pen for my collection, and I'm leaning towards the count here. I like the count. I like numbers. And I'm going to get one of these SeaWorld pens. So I got the count. We decided on the count. And now I'm going to get... What is that? She's really happy. Alright, this is the one I'm getting. He's really cute. And he's got SeaWorld on him, so... He's $7.95. Alrighty, we're going to catch the 8 o'clock show for the Orca Encounter.
Speed, power, and problem-solving abilities. These behaviors keep our whales active and engaged. SeaWorld's killer whales have inspired generations to care about our natural world, and we're excited to share their story with you today.
Killer whales are the ocean's top predator. They use cooperation and communication, not just size and strength, to take their place at the top of the ocean's food web. At the bottom are small animals, like krill. At the top, the apex predator, the killer whale.
Orca Orca. Their common name is called the killer whale, and these 5 killer whales have their own personal names. 2 are Cayuga, and joining us here is Takara, Sakari, and Kamea. Kamea is our youngest whale at only 6 years old, and her mom, Takara, is the oldest member of our pod at 28 years old. Takara is the matriarch of our pod, which means she's the leader. The whales trust us, and they play an active role in their own health and well-being. Through the use of positive reinforcement techniques, we can teach them husbandry or healthcare behaviors. One of the very first husbandry behaviors we teach them is called her trainer, Julie. Now you'll notice that a portion of her body, from the dorsal fin down to the tail flute, is still in the water. This area is called the peduncle, and it can weigh several hundred pounds. So in order to get an accurate weight, we'll ask our whales to lift their head and tail up and out of the water. Now, as of Tuesday morning, Takara is weighing in at 4,580 pounds. These husbandry behaviors. And pop up right in the center. Now over here on this side of the pool, we have Takara and Julie, who's joined by a family at the front that is from this very audience. Now they're going to help us demonstrate ways that orcas communicate. One of the ways that they can communicate is by vocalizations. So let's see if we can hear some of that. Nicely done! Now there's a lot of other ways that orcas can communicate. Another way is by using their pectoral flippers, their tail, or even their entire body to be able to jump completely out.
So much mystery.
10 minutes before the actual fireworks starts. Tina and Gabby are enjoying a pickle and listening to music. And the fireworks are going to be out over the lake here. If you look over there, that's actually the stadium where you can sit in. But they have this little viewing area over here. You can see all the fireworks. It's actually closer to the exit, so we want to sit over here. But it's a nice breeze tonight, really pretty out. I'm hoping it gets a little bit darker here because it's gonna be hard to see fireworks if it's still this light. So happy summer solstice. It's the longest day of the year. Hope you're having a good night. I'm gonna bring the fireworks to you. That's it, everyone. What an awesome day. What an awesome fireworks display.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good, yes. We're excited that SeaWorld's open. We're glad you guys could have joined us. We love you guys. Remember, live problem free.